So hey everybody.
Hey.
So tonight I'm making meatball pasta from 5 steps.
5 steps. I gotta see this. What's your first step? Okay. Putting some sauce in the bowl. I'll zoom in for you.
In the meatballs.
Okay. What kind of meatballs are those?
Beef bite size.
Oh, just frozen ones?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I gotta do 8.
Oh, okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay.
And I'll put it in the microwave.
All right. Let's see.
And I gotta put a plate on top.
Why do you put a plate on top?
So it won't fall.
So it won't splash.
Yeah.
How long are you going to cook that, Sadie?
1 minute.
Okay. This is interesting.
Yeah. And today was Emily's birthday.
Yes.
So,
What'd you do for Miss Emily's birthday?
we did give her some earrings.
Mm-hmm. Oh, back to the show.
Yep.
What you gotta do?
Stir.
Okay. Now what's next? What you doing?
Put it back in the microwave.
Okay. For how long?
1 minute.
So what did you get, Miss Emily?
Emma put earrings.
She loves animal print, yes.
I'm not kind of a fan of
I bet she looks lovely in it, doesn't she?
it. Yes. And I got PT Monday.
Okay, back to PT.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna put my pasta in.
Okay.
In the microwave for what? It says 6 seconds, but that makes 1 minute.
That's right.
Plus, Mom tore the whole thing for me.
Yeah. You can open it with scissors or whatever your little cutter method is, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So you're putting your what in? Your pasta?
In the microwave.
For 1 minute?
Yep. And so I'm gonna put my cheese and put it back in the microwave.
What kind of cheese you got? Let me zoom in. I can't see it. Turn it all the way around. Ah, Italian cheese.
Yep. And Parmesan.
Parmesan, yay. Oh, your pasta's almost ready? So what you gonna do with that pasta when it comes out?
I'm gonna pour it and mix it up.
Oh, that's very simple.
Yeah. And this is quick and easy.
It is. We've been about under 5 minutes making this, right?
Yeah.
Super duper. Huge fans of this microwave pasta.
Yep.
Super convenient. Easy for us to do. Need your pocket.
Yeah.
Or your puppet. Okay. Clean up.
Here's a lot of pasta.
That's looking good. What you gonna put in it? Oh, cheese.
And because I'm gonna make this when he comes home. Oh,
He's at work right now.
yeah. Because he's off on Saturday mornings.
Mm-hmm.
Because my birthday's on Saturday.
Yay.
For me.
July 2nd.
And I'm turning 15.
Okay, and what's now? Oh, you're gonna put this shaker cheese in there.
That's what a boy.
Okay. Then you're gonna stir it up. And then how long are you gonna put it back in the microwave?
For 1 minute. Okay.
1 minute. Back with your puppet.
Yeah. Because my plate's kind of low. Oh, I was quite heavy, so.
Excellent.
And mine will be done.
Great job, Sadie. Anything else you want to say?
So, next, on the 23rd of this month, I'm going to Hell Keller.
Yes, we're going to the parade. Hope to see everyone there. We'll be
Yeah.
catching candy. Yeah.
And then we'll come back Friday.
Yeah, we got to pick up who?
Max.
Max is going to be at the VIP condo at the vet, so he's got to be taken care of. But we got to get back to get him.
For the clothes.
That's right. He'll be taken care of, though. Miss
But-
Katie will take care of him.
That's what I actually forgot to tell her that on Friday when we got his bath.
Oh, she asked me about it. She knows he's coming. Okay, look.
Oh,
It's almost done.
yeah.
You can count down?
12, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All done.
Like I need you.
You can get out and show everybody.
Yeah. Okay.
That looks so good. Look at that.
Mm-hmm. So,
Uh-huh.
since I just got done in time,
Yeah. So what do you want to say?
so I hope you have a good night. If you're trying to make this about 5 steps,
Yes.
like all our families want to try it.
That's nice.
Okay. And I'll probably gonna see probably next week after we get back from after that Friday.